Hi guys. So in this lecture, I want to talk about functions, alright? Now, all this we've created can also be done in functions, okay? Now, the way this function is going to work is we're going to pass in some parameters. We're going to specify what the x and y coordinates are going to be, and then it's going to automatically create for us a rectangle, alright? So it's not something that huge, but it's going to be fun. So let's get started. I'm going to delete these two canvases. We don't need them anymore. And as you can see, I don't have that tk.main loop anymore. That's been gone. Again, you know, it's something you can add. I definitely recommend you add it. I'm not sure why that's been deleted. root.main loop. That's one thing that's been missing for some time. Okay, so for the functions again, it works just like all other functions. You can say something like def create rect. Alright, and the parameters it takes is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, and let's say we wanted to create all our rectangles in a blue color. Okay, blue color, because blue is awesome. Blue's my favorite color. Again, you can change your color to whatever you want. But basically, this function is going to work like this. Canvas.create rectangle, and then in the parameters, x1, y1, x2, y2, comma, fill is equal to blue. Alright? So now that we've created this rectangle, there's no need for us to, write this canvas.create rectangle. We've shortened it into create rect. Okay? So create rect, right? Let's do 5, 50, 200, 70. Yeah. Okay. Then let's do create rect. Let's do a tall one this time. 5, 5, 240, 200. Something random, okay? But hopefully now, I'm sorry about that. Hopefully now you should be understanding how these coordinates work. Again, if you have a Cartesian plane in your mind, you know how the x coordinates are, you know how the y coordinates are. Again, it's simple algebra. You might have forgotten it by now, but it's quite vivid in my head. So save that and let's take a look at what we're creating. My Python launcher has appeared and let's see. So it gives me an error, xy is not defined. Obviously it's not defined. Why? Because it's a mistake. Darn. F5 again. Save that and okay. Alright, launcher's coming again. Let's take a look. Yay! So let's see. This worked quite brilliantly. We created two rectangles. Both of them were blue. Pretty neat, right? So this was very interesting. We learned in this lecture how we can use functions to create rectangles, or actually any shape for that matter. And we also learned about filling. So the color, right? We learned how to create such, or how to fill objects by using the fill parameter. Now, in the next lecture, we're going to do something fun, actually, and we're going to be creating something called a random rectangle generator, all right? And the way this is going to work is the user, all right, will specify basically how many rectangles they want from 0 to, let's say, 150, any amount of rectangles they want. And then what we will do, based on our function, we're going to create that many rectangles, except each rectangle will have a different width and a different height. So it's going to be a smorgasbord of rectangles. The whole screen will be covered in rectangles and it's going to be a lot of fun. So see you then.